We're making potato salad today. First things first. Now this potato salad that's from the region of Sicily has no mayo, but it's still delicious, fresh, and perfect for summer. First, we're gonna start with the red onion, and we're gonna cut that into thin slices. I'm using half of a medium small onion, and you can finely chop it up as well, whatever's easiest for you. Then grab red or white wine vinegar and submerge the onions in a small bowl. This is going to marinate the onions and leave until we're ready to dress the potato salad. Next up, 2.5 pounds of potatoes. Any potatoes you like to eat can work here, and you can boil or steam the potatoes, and you can leave the skins on or off. I'm going to steam the potatoes, so I'm just gonna add them into a steamer basket, and I'm going to remove the skins afterwards. Steaming the potatoes help by preventing them to not get waterlogged. Steam the potatoes, and once you can pierce the potato with a knife, you're good to go. You still want the potato to be a bit firm, but fully cooked, of course. You don't want to get it too mushy, and this took about 40 minutes. Once the potatoes have fully cooled down, you can place in the fridge or rinse under cold water. You can peel the skins off and then cut into small to medium bite-sized chunks. Place in a bowl and set that aside. Grab a pint of cherry tomatoes, and you can either slice in half or quarter them, whatever you like. Now for the olives. Specifically in this dish, they are called Tajasca olives, but I couldn't find them, so I just grabbed some Kalamata, and I'm going to use Castelvetrano, of course, because they are my fave. And I'm just going to remove the pits and chop or slice in half or leave whole, whatever you like. Drain the onions, and now add the olives and onions to the bowl, then the tomatoes, and now add about 2 tablespoons of capers. You can also drain and rinse them if you like. Then season with some dried oregano and season with salt. You can optionally season with freshly cracked pepper and chili flakes as well. Then finish with some fresh torn basil and a nice helping of extra virgin olive oil. Give a good mix, and you can place in the fridge to let the flavors mingle, and then plate it all up and bring it to the table. I love everything about this potato salad, and I would eat it all summer long. Oh, now I still love my mayo-based potato salads, but this is just so flavorful and fresh, and oh, I love everything about it. So I hope you give it a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.